Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. The pictogram shows information about the total weight of potatoes grown last year in each of 5 countries, the key being one circle is equivalent to 4 million tons of potatoes. The pictogram shows one country where the total weight of potatoes grown last year was 20 million. Which country? So we can simply divide 20 million by the key. So that's 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So we're supposed to look for a country which has 5 circles, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, USA. Last year, the weight of potatoes grown in the Netherlands was 6 million. Show this information in the pictogram, the key being 4 million again, so we can divide this by 4. We get 1.5. So we have to write 1.5 circles. So here we have 1.5. Work out the total weight of potatoes grown in Germany and in France, so that means we have to add them. We can see that the key represents 4 million, and there are actually 4 different sectors here. So we can simply count how many sectors, given that one sector is equivalent to 1 million tons. So we can see here for France, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for Germany, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 11 is 18, so here we have 18 million tons. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.